Hi YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today's featured recipe is curry chicken. So get pen and paper, wine, mocktail, a snack because it's about to be more ordering and I don't want you to feel left out. So here I have a chopped scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, you know, the necessities for ground provisions, better pack curry, my garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and of course some chicken seasoning. All of these can be substituted if you want to add or subtract. It's all up to you. Make sure that you're doing it to your liking, but this is how I do it. Also, I recommend that you wash your meat first things first, and when you do apply the seasonings, because I've been doing this for a long time, I've known how to maneuver using my hands to really massage the seasonings into the meat. However, I would like ensure that if you are a beginner to wear gloves, because especially dealing with pepper and some of these seasonings, it lingers and it can hurt your eyes or even your children after hours after using these ingredients. So just bear that in mind. So now here I'm just going in with a little bit of olive oil in the pot. Make sure it's at the correct temp. It's not too hot. It's just good enough to really brown up the curry powder. This is what's going to give the chicken its golden color, and it doesn't, if it's too brown where it's at burning point, it will make the chicken taste bitter, so please bear that in mind. And I'm just submerging all the ingredients into the pot, and after 2 to 3 minutes you can mix it around. Make sure that you are keeping an eye on it. If you do need to add water, you can, but it's very rare you add any water to your pot unless you have it on a certain heat or you need a certain amount of gravy and the water in the pot wasn't sprung to your desired amount. This is what it looks like. 15 to 20 minutes. It's a very quick cook and it's very easy, very straightforward, and guess what, it's cost effective. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy delicious curry chicken. So from my kitchen to yours, enjoy this recipe and I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching.